How to remove welcome to Instagram homepage. For that, you first need to go to your settings, and once you're on your settings, scroll all the way down until you see your app settings. And from here, you can find Instagram. Just tap on the app, and here, first of all, what you want to do is tap on permissions and make sure all of these permissions are turned on. And once you do that, just go to storage and clear cache, because sometimes the junk files in the app does not allow you to properly use the app. So once you do that, you can even clear all of its data for once, but you have to note that this will log you out from all of your accounts, so you'll have to log back into your account. Once you do that, just go back to your app, and after doing all of that, if your app still says something like this, then that means your account is relatively new. So you'll have to follow 2 to 5 people in order for this to go away. So just go to the search bar and follow more people. I'm just going to show. Just tap on this explore button right here and search for people. Then you should be able to follow 2 to 5 people and your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next one.